All right, we back. Just wanted to show the time machine from Tickeron and how I kind of mess around with the screen filters and use it as just just another way of maybe getting some insight into your screening criteria if you're looking for stocks, if you're a stock picker, if you're using screeners. Tickeron has a really good one, and on top of that, you can also take your criteria and move it back in time to see how it would have done on a different date. So super fascinating to mess around with that. Go to Tickeron to check it out. Use the link in my description. As while you're doing that, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. There's a lot of you that are unsubscribed that watch this thing. So if you hate these Tickeron videos, too freaking bad. I got to do them. But there's a lot of other content on here too. I do a lot of other reviews of algos and other reviews of trading systems, and I do basically market calls as well with Tesla. So if you watched any of those Tesla videos, a lot of those videos actually came to fruition. Looking at the screening criteria, I don't know what kind of criteria people use nowadays. I'm not much of a I've been getting back into it, but I'm not much a screener. I don't really screen for stocks too much using these type of screens, but when I do, I use this one. And basically, it's very simple. I'm using the Smart tab here. I want any stocks trending with a bullish week, any price in the industry. You can change this or whatever you want to do, but basically, that's what I want to filter out. And then I also want to filter out, I just want to filter out these buys and sells. Okay, I don't want to Tickeron to tell me what's a strong buy and what's a strong sell. Okay, and based on this, I mean, I haven't looked at this particular criteria today, but based on this, it's already looking pretty good. Now, what this time machine did was I picked the date right here, April 3rd, went back in time with this criteria, and it's just going to show you a little box here that's going to show you April 3rd, 1 year prior performance, and then the performance after the screener was run on April 3rd. And so that's what's really cool about that part of it is you can see if the screener performed well in the past. Now we can pick a different date. Let's go to the high right before the crash, and what kind of stuff do we get from the screener on that day? Okay, so what kind of stuff would have been good right before? Well, not really. I guess not good right before, but what kind of stocks would have been picked with this criteria right before we went down? Home Depot. So this all gives you an idea of what the market is like in different environments. So I thought that was really cool. I wanted to highlight that little feature of Tickeron. I'm finding out a lot of little cool things with this website as I mess around with it. And so as I find it, I let you guys know. Hopefully you like this. Again, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Peace.